Thank you for joining us today. We're really excited because we've got a great market leader who's about to give you some incredible insider information that you can only get here. We all know that looking for the best professional for your needs can be intimidating, but here's a little secret. All you really need to know are the right questions to ask. And you're in luck because today's expert is here right now to help.
I'm often asked how to go about finding the right auto body shop to repair a car after an accident. The problem is that while most car owners carry the necessary insurance, many do not know how to compare one auto body shop to another, and they can feel overwhelmed. Searching for a great collision repair shop to suit your needs and your vehicle's requirements can feel daunting, so I'd like to give a few recommendations for finding the right shop. My first recommendation is, do you feel understood? Are these people you feel comfortable working with? Do they listen to your concerns? You want to feel you are being heard and understood. You should receive clear and understandable answers to all your questions. Even very technical considerations can be explained so a car owner can understand. Any special concerns you have should be noted and respected. You'll feel much better about your decision if you find auto body repair pros that are understanding and approachable. Number 2 would be their reputation. I think word of mouth is probably the best form of advertising there is. The best body shops get most of their customers through a referral from someone they know. Online, Google reviews seem to be the closest thing to word of mouth. Trust people that have used a body shop before and don't rely on your insurance company to make the choice for you. Don't rely on somebody that owes you money who will be paying your bill. Rely on the reputation of someone that's going to earn it. The third thing is to ask questions. Ask how many years they've been in business. Longer years in business kind of speaks for itself. I would trust someone that has made good on their reputation. Ask if they're a family-owned independent repair shop or a franchise. Independent, family-owned auto body shops are run by people with a passion for helping people who've been in accidents and correctly restoring vehicles to pre-loss condition. It's much more than a financial investment to them. Ask what technical certifications do they have for fixing a late model car. The top technical certification an auto body shop can earn is iCar Gold. A shop with a current iCar Gold certificate is prepped and ready to repair all gas, engine, and hybrid cars from oldest to latest. Ask, do you work with my insurance company? Every insurance company handles claims differently. Look for auto body repair pros who work with every major carrier of insurance. They should be experts at dealing with your claim and be able to answer any question you may have about the claims process. Our expertise is auto body repair, and we focus on helping customers understand the repair process for their vehicle. Anyone who wants to learn more can simply go to bobcartersautobody.com, where they can learn more about how we help and how we handle repairs. Or they can call us at 630-852-3578. We're happy to help because collision repair has changed as vehicles have changed, and it's important for car owners to know how to choose the best auto body shop for their needs.
Pretty interesting, isn't it? With a focused approach, you'll find the right professional in no time. If you're interested in learning more about what today's expert had to say, just call the number on your screen. Thank you for joining us.